I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at what a good indoor air quality rating is. So this is a Temtop P10 air quality index meter, and it's measuring PM 2.5, which is particles that are under 2.5 microns. And that's most of what you would get in terms of smoke and dust and that kind of thing that you would find as indoor air pollution. There's other kinds like formaldehyde, but this one is not monitoring for that. So this is the reading of the absolute amount of these PM 2.5 particles, but I'm going to switch it over to an AQI, air quality index. And this is a score from 0 to 500 that measures how unhealthy the air is. Now you can see mine is reading 4 right now. That's the best reading I've ever seen. Lower, again, is better. Anything from 0 to 50 is considered to be good. So if you're getting a reading of 0 to 50, then you're in a good range. From 50 to 100 is considered to be moderate. So if you're above 50, less than 100, probably in good shape. Then you start to get up into unhealthy, and anything over 150 or so is where you're really getting into the unhealthy for even people who don't have like asthma or another condition. So really, for your interior air quality, you want to be below 50. If you're from 50 to 100, maybe that's okay. If you're over 100, and certainly if you're over 150, then you're getting into the unhealthy territory. What can you do if the AQI is too high? I like to use an air purifier. I've got my Medify air purifier running here. I have it off to make this video, but that can bring down the AQI number in your house. And if you don't have a meter like the Temtop P10, one thing you can do is look at the outside air quality on a website like Purple Air or airnow.gov, and that'll give you an AQI for your area. The interior tends to be different than the exterior, but one trick is you can go to Purple Air and choose indoor sensors and see what other people's homes in your area are reading inside. Some people have those connected to the system, so that can give you a ballpark for what your own reading might be. But I would really recommend getting this Temtop P10 as well, and that'll give you an actual reading for inside your house. Again, try to keep it under 50 and you're in good shape. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.